how me and my mom are doing these awesome watercolor paintings. I wanted to show you our monthly subscription that comes every month from Let's Make Art. This month's subscription is September. Spoiler alert, you're good at this. Welcome to September. This thing, little sheet of paper, can tell you how to find where they make how to find their tutorials. Time for us to see the good stuff. It's paint. Our colors this month are emerald green. Ooh, my birthstone. Felucia. Fachusa. Honey brown. Alzar blue. Dandelion yellow, and violet. As promised, in the subscription box, a little card comes in, and you can send a little postcard to a person in need. In this little envelope thing, inside is a little postcard, and on the back a little postcard to the person in need, and on the back there is a little blank space so you can do the photo that you want for him or her. In this little sheet of paper we have the graphite paper. The graphite paper can be used for drawing outlines. Instead of just drawing the entire thing freely, if you put the outline on this and put the watercolor piece of paper under it and draw, it'll make an immediate line. It'll make an immediate line on there. Every month, four paintings come in from Let's Make Art box, subscription box. This month is going to be Summer Bicycle. This one has an outline like about what I was saying earlier. It has a hydrangea. And this one is a do-it-yourself, which means there's no outline for it. Each one has 2 sheets of watercolor paper in it. Next one is the rustic doorway. The door is also a do-it-yourself. The next one is the kitty cat. Me and my mom have been most excited about this. This one also has an outline. If you were to just do it freely, it would be really hard and you would probably mess up. Hush. Mom! What? Now your hush is in the video. I didn't know you were doing video. I have to restart. If you're interested in doing water paint and it's your first time, try doing the Let's Make Art watercolor watermelon. Me and my mom did it for our very first photo, and it really helped us know how concentrated watercolor can be. And before we end, I would like to say congratulations to Sarah Cray and her new baby. I just had a baby brother, and it can be amazing. If you're interested, go to letsmakeart.com and sign up for your monthly subscription box. Thank you for watching, and please like and comment down below.